creating, editing, and deleting incidents. Creating an incident record. Unpleasant and unwanted incidents can happen in the workplace anytime. You need to record and manage incident information for establishing controls and mitigating such occurrences in future. This can be efficiently done by creating an incident record in the system. There are two ways to create a new incident record. First is by using the Public Incident form. This form can be accessed from the Explorer sidebar. Click WHS and then Public Incident form. Anyone can fill in relevant details and submit the details in the public form. This will automatically create an incident record in the system and notify the WHS team. Your organization can host this form on the intranet or a landing page. The form can also be accessed using a QR code. This means that anyone within the organization can lodge an incident with ease. This feature provides convenience to the WHS team as they can simply have QR codes located at key locations to ensure that incident forms are always on hand. For second method to create an incident record, begin by navigating to WHS from the Explorer sidebar and then click Incidents. You are now on the Incidents list page. Click on the New Incident button. This will open a flyout allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. The fields that appear highlighted in red are mandatory for creating a new incident record. While the mandatory fields form the minimum set of information required, it is recommended that you fill in as many relevant fields as possible to maintain good record keeping. Finally, click on Create to successfully register a new incident. Editing an incident record. To edit an incident record, navigate to Incidents list page. Locate the incident record you want to edit either by scrolling through or using the search bar. Click on the title of the incident record you wish to edit. Here, all the editable fields of the incident record are displayed. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the incident record. Deleting an incident record. Deleting an incident record is not recommended. Rather, you should consider changing the status to Archived. This way, you can maintain both past and current incident records. However, in cases of incorrect data entry or a duplicate incident record being created, you can delete the record. To delete an incident record, there are two options. From the Incident Details page, simply click on the Delete button to delete the incident record. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple incident records at once, navigate to the Incidents list page and select all the incident records you want to delete and press the Delete button.